Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video, we will see how to install PHPUnit Framework on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Open your browser and search for PHPUnit. Go to phpunit.de, which is the official PHPUnit website. I will mention this link in the description. The current stable version of PHPUnit is 12 at the time of recording this video. Go to take the first steps option. Here you can see an introduction to getting started with PHPUnit. As a basic requirement, you will need PHP 8.3 or PHP 8.4 or a greater version of PHP to use PHPUnit 12. After meeting the PHP version requirement, we can install PHPUnit. Here you can read on how to install PHPUnit. We can install PHPUnit in two ways. The first way is to download PHPUnit and its dependencies as a PHP archive file, but it is not the recommended way of installing PHPUnit. The recommended way of installing PHPUnit is the second way, where we will install PHPUnit using Composer. So we will follow the second method and install PHPUnit using Composer. So we will install PHP as the first step. Open your terminal and update system packages by running sudo apt update. Enter sudo user password. Let me clear the terminal. Now run this command sudo apt install PHP. Confirm installation by typing Y and press enter key. PHP installation is complete. We'll clear the terminal. Now run this command php -v. You can see PHP version 8.3.6 is installed. Next we will install Composer. Open your browser and search Composer. Go to getcomposer.org, which is the official Composer website. Click on download. Copy this script shown in the box and paste it into the terminal. And press enter. Now copy and run this command in terminal. Now verify Composer installation by typing Composer and press enter. You can see Composer version 2.8.5 is installed. Now we are ready to install PHPUnit. We are currently inside home folder in the terminal. Let me create a project folder, PHPUnit project, in the home folder. So mkdir PHPUnit project. Now navigate to the project folder. So cd PHPUnit project. So we are inside the project folder in the terminal. Open your browser and go to PHPUnit documentation. Below the install by Composer section, you can see the Composer command to install PHPUnit. Copy this command and paste into the terminal. And press enter. Composer will download and install PHPUnit and its dependencies into the project folder. PHPUnit installation is complete. Let me open project folder in VS Code editor and see what files and folders Composer has created. As you can see, Composer has created two files, composer.json and composer.log, and a vendor folder. Now open the vendor folder. Inside the vendor folder, you can see a PHPUnit folder. Open the PHPUnit folder. Inside the PHPUnit folder, there is another PHPUnit folder. Open that folder. Here you can see a PHPUnit script used by Ubuntu to run PHPUnit Framework. So this is the folder structure Composer has created after installing PHPUnit. So I will close the editor. Now I will clear the terminal. Go to the documentation. You can see one more command under the Composer section. Copy and paste into the terminal. And press enter. You can see PHPUnit version 12.0.3 is installed. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.